All Secondary 1 to 4 NJC IP students will complete the NJC Signature Boarding Program as part of their curriculum. Each cohort gets to board every year for a period of 6 to 8 weeks. Students will check in on Sunday night and check out on Friday after school. Without further ado, let's start with the tour. Hi everyone, today I'm going to take you on a tour of the NJC Boarding School. This is how a typical bedroom looks like. We need to be responsible for keeping our rooms clean and tidy. For example, we have to sweep, mop the floor and do other things ourselves too. This is the laundry room. Washing our clothes here also cultivates personal responsibility, making sure that you have sufficient clothes to wear for the week. There is also a laundry service provided, where students can drop their clothes off and collect them 3 days later.
This is the games room. It is a place where students can socialize with others by playing games and chit-chatting with their friends, or even practice musical instruments together. My friends and I often come here after school to relax. The pantry is a shared space where everyone can enjoy food that they have brought and iron their clothes. We learn to be responsible as we need to keep the area clean and iron our clothes so that we can be neatly dressed for school. I always iron my clothes and share food together with my friends there while chit-chatting. Speaking of food, do you know that NJCians really love boarding's Western food? One of my favourite moments of boarding includes sitting here at the dining hall enjoying scrumptious food with my friends. The tables here are also used for study prep, which is a fixed time allocated to the entire cohort of enhanced boarders to study together. I really love study prep sessions. Sometimes our teachers will come down to guide us in schoolwork before our exams. Formal dinner is also held here at the end of each boarding term. My friends and I will dress up and use the skills that we have learned in the fine dining workshop. It is a great way to end off the boarding term and is also one of the events that my friends and I enjoy the most.
My favorite part of boarding is definitely formal dinner. During the event, I was given the opportunity to perform in front of my cohort mates. I was invited to perform some National Day songs and some recent hits as well. I had a great time that night and I definitely enjoyed taking photos at the photo booth too.
I think one of the most valuable things that I've learned in boarding is how to manage my time. With so many commitments and boarding activities in the night, it's important that I find the time to do the things that I need to do.
My life in boarding is really fun because I get to form very deep friendships with my schoolmates due to the fact that we live so close to each other. And the community is very inclusive because everyone's really supportive and accepting. Boarding also made my life really convenient because it's very near to school and to other public facilities.
I'm a secondary 3 scholar from China. As scholars, we are far away from our home, and boarding school becomes our second home. We study, exercise, and do a lot of boarding activities with other boarders in boarding. Just like life at home, life in boarding is enjoyable because of whom we live and hang out with.